Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a very interesting topic that is coin change algorithm. This is very interesting algorithm, Presented by this is me, Maman Hussain, the student of ID development, Noakhali Science and Technology University. There are some content submit to this presentation. Introduction: find the total number of voice of amount using dynamic programming approach, and find the minimum number of voice of amount using dynamic programming approach. And last of all, the complexity. Basically, the coin changing algorithm is an algorithm. By this algorithm, we can find the total number of ways of amount uh, and the minimum number of ways of making changes a particular amount of taka. Suppose uh, suppose you have three type of coins: 1, 5, and 10. And suppose you brought something that amount is 10 taka. So you have to pay it. So you can pay it this you can pay it by three following solution. We can see that we can pay taka by these three possible ways. Okay. Okay, now we can see the total number of ways how we paid taka, how many ways we paid the taka. Okay, suppose the amount is 5, and I have three types of coins: 1, 2, 3. And here I write where I write the condition. Row if the row is greater than column, then copy the value from above. Otherwise, acha, we can see later. Suppose this is two-dimensional array. Uh, First of all, if we if we find the number of row and the number of column are same, if if the number of row and the number of column both are 0, then we can write 1. Next of all, the amount is 1, but we have no coins. That's why we doesn't pay it. That's why I write 0. uh, at the same way, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the amount, and we have no coins. As the same way, I write 0. Okay, next, I have one coin that value is 1. If now we check the condition. If the row is greater than column, here the row number is 1 and the column number is 0. Row is greater than 1, then we copy the value from above. This here we can see write 1. That's why we write a 1. If the value of row and column are same, or the column the value of column are greater than row, then we follow this condition. uh, in this section, first of all, I consider this 0, exclude new coin. Without this coin, we consider this 0. And second condition, include this coin. We we check the number of row 1, the number of row 1. Now we now we then c of, here we can see the c of I, that means 1. Once means 1, that means 0. Once means 1, that's mean 0. In this 0 position, we find 1 here, so we write 0 plus 1. Here we can see 1. This, in the same way, we can see this, the row number is the row number is 2, and the column number, sorry, the column number is 2 and row number is 1. So first of all, we consider this 0. And next, the number of rows subtraction uh, the value of this column 1 to subtraction 1, that means 1. So we find the ones column position in this row, that we find 1. So 0, 0 add 1, that means 1. In the same way we filled this position. We can fill this position. Now we can see the last row as well. The row number is greater than the column number, so we can write the previous position ones, two. In this section we can see the number of row and the number of column are same. The column are same. The number of row and the value of this column are same. So we can first of all we consider 2. Next then the number of row is the number of row, it means the amount. Actually it means the amount 3. So 3 subtraction, c 3 subtraction, and the value of this column, that means coins value. 3 means 3 subtract 3, that means 0 position. 1, we can find 1, so 2 I add 1, that means 3. In the last over we can see the amount is 5, and the number of row is also 5. In this section the coin value is 3, and the number of row is 3. So we consider this 3. Next 5, the number of row, subtract the value of, sorry, the number of column, subtract the value of coins. So 5 subtract 3, that means 2. We can find that we can find 2 column and this row 2, that means 3 plus 2 equal 5. Now we can see the total number of ways 5. By 5 ways we can pay this amount. Okay, now you can see the algorithm of previous problem. That is very simple. Previous logic, according to previous logic. Okay, now we go to the next slide. Now we can see the minimum number of coins. How we find the minimum number of coins? Sorry. Minimum number of coins. This is two-dimensional array as well. This is the amount. These are amount or taka, and these are the coins. These are the row num. These are the coins value, and these are row number. Suppose I have one valued coins and the amount is 0. So I doesn't paid you doesn't paid something. That's why I write 0. If we have if amount is 1, you have 1 taka note, then you have to pay one note, that means 1 coins. If you have if you have 2 taka, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you have to follow the same number of 1 taka coins. That's why I fill this row by this condition. Now I check the second row. The coins value is 5. Now we check the algorithm. The value of coins is greater than j, that means j we write the position is from the previous position, that is 5, that is 1. So we copy it from above 1 to 1 as well. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5 and 5, that's are equal. So we Go to the next condition. Minimum value solution of I minus 1 and j 5 5. So here we can see there is 5, the previous position 5, and other is 1 plus solution I solution, this is the value of I solution I, and j uh, j minus c of I, that means 5. That means 5, 5 means 5. 5 means 5. That means 0. Wait, 0, we find 0. That means 5 minus 5. That means 0 position. In 0 position, uh, we find in 0 position you find 0. So that's why 0, 1 plus 0. Previous is 5 and the new value is 1. 0 plus 1, that is 1. 5 ones. The um, among between them two values, 1 or 1 is minimum, so we write 1. Again, 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 we perform the same procedure as well. So we go to the last row. Suppose the value of the value of coin, but the amount of coin is 9. The amount is lower. So first of all, we copy from 1 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 1 1 2 2 1 1 2 2, and now uh we can see the value of coin and the number of row are same. So sorry, the value of coin and number of column are same. So first of all, we considered previous one 3, and next one is uh, I solution of 1 plus solution of I. uh, the the value of this position is 9. 9 9 subtract the value of this position 9. 9 subtract 9, that means 0. 1 plus 0, that means 1. Previous is 1, new is 1, so 1 is minimum, so that's why I write 1. As well as I perform the same procedure, and first of all we find 2. That means uh, we can pay it, the minimum ways. That means we can say that by 2 coins we can pay it this amount 12 টাকা by only 2 coins. If we know what value coin is, we check 2 and the above is 2. So first of all we take 9. Second of all, if the same value, then we go to the above, and 2 5 2. Here we can see, if we 5 টাকা 2 টাকা. Okay, we go to the next slide. Acha, now we can see 2. These are same, so we go to above 2. Here we cannot see the same value 2, so we take this 7 valued coins. This is selected, and now we check 7 subtract 5, that means 5. we go to the we get to the 5 amount. Here we can find 1, so we can see also above is 1, so we go to above. Now we can see these two are not same, so we select 5. That means we select two coins, 5 and 7, to pay this amount. Complexity. The complexity of this algorithm is number of coins and total number of amount. So thanks everyone.